And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi, Sea Lions, had a great day. It's Red Ribbon Week. Don't forget to say boo to drugs. Have a good day! Stay cool, stay off drugs.
We want to say thanks so much to our friends at the fire department, the lifeguards, our friends at Seal Beach Police Department, the military police, as well as everyone else who showed up today to remind our kids to remain drug-free. Thanks so much.
Good morning, Sea Lions.
Have a great week.
Bye.
This is Sea Lion leader Jack Brady with this week's announcements. The Red Ribbon Recoloring Contest winners will be announced on Monday. Thank you for participating. Be on the lookout for deliveries from the Wrapping Paper Company all week long. Sea Lion Chorus rehearsal is on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's remember to be safe during drop-off. Wednesday is College Day. Support your favorite university by wearing a college-themed t-shirt. Thursday is the 60th day of school. Brag tags will be coming soon to celebrate the students with no more than 3 absents. Way to go! Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. The Veterans Day flag ceremony is on Friday morning at 8:05 a.m. PTA movie night is on Friday at 5:15 p.m. Bring a chair and a blanket to the McGaw Field and enjoy the show. This is a reminder that there's no school on Monday, November 11th. Enjoy the Veterans Day holiday. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Miss Yejin wants to congratulate TK student Zachary Dawson. He was being responsible and honorable when he chose to walk down the hallways, even though everyone else was running. Thanks, Zachary, for being safe and professional. We appreciate you.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Sizemore gave a raw buck to kindergarten student Catherine Garcia. She said that Catherine is a kind and helpful friend. She is always willing to help another person. We appreciate you, Catherine, and we know that if you keep it up, you'll make McGaw a better place.
First grade.
Miss Cohen noticed that this first grader was being responsible and aware. Congratulations to David Walker. She said that David stayed and helped Mrs. Z clean and organize all the Lego. He showed responsibility and awareness. Thanks so much, David. You've been an awesome member of our community.
Second grade.
I'm real excited to announce this one. Mrs. Liu wants to shout out second grader Wyatt Prechtel. Wyatt was responsible, and he did an amazing job by waiting his turn and asking for permission. Way to go, Wyatt. We know that you are on the right track.
Third grade.
Mrs. Jenks wants to shout out third grader Emily Hamilton. She said that Emily happily helped Mrs. Jenks with organizing some books that fell down. That was super unexpected, and you stepped up to help. We really appreciate you.
Fourth grade.
Fourth grade teacher Dr. Arias wants to say thank you to his student Macy McLeod. He said that Macy filled the copier without being asked, and our printing was all completed. Thanks so much, Macy, for thinking ahead and doing the right thing.
Fifth grade.
It's so nice when teachers nominate other students that aren't their own. Mrs. Garola wants to shout out fifth grader Brody Chesser. She said that Brody offered to take a first grader all the way up to the office without any hesitation. That's a leader stepping up to help out when he's needed the most. Thanks so much, Brody. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!